Good morning everyone. I would like to show you a bit about this website called observation.org that I found really interesting and practical. So if you go on a field trip or you go snorkeling and you spot a nice fish, you can take a picture and upload it here. That it's a global digital system and it's a powerful tool for conservation, research and education. So how does it work? First you have to create an account as I've done here, and then if you want to add an observation, you go here, new observation, and you will get this window where you can fill with information of the date, the area where you spot the animal, and more information, well, the name of the species. And here I've already filled some of the information that it's Mediterranean sister that I saw last summer in Murcia, and well, you can say it was a real account. It was seen, the appearance, it was living animal, and yeah, more information that you can add. Then you go OK, and you can add a picture or sound. And here I'm gonna add a picture. As you can see, it's a very simple way, and you can add as many observations as you want. And I find it really nice because this way you keep track of all the observations, and I don't know, I like it. Here I'm gonna show you some of the observation I did. So I have them here with the dates and the plates. Yeah, and then you also can look for observations with the name of the species or families, or geographically. For instance, let's go Oceania. You can click on the country you want and see and look for the observations that have been done there. And as an example, let's look for fish. Here it's not in a specific country, this is in general. And you get the date and how many individuals were seen and where. So let's see this one that it has a picture, the Atlantic Matchkeeper. Look, the picture and then the photographer, the date. Yeah, no, I forgot to say that it can be linked to these apps for Android and for Apple devices, so you can directly upload it to the website. And also this name it's provided by Worms. Some statistics, nowadays there are more than 13,000 users, and well, most of the observations are birds, as you can see here. But I encourage you to create an account, and all together we can help to add more data on marine fauna, and this way we can increase the knowledge on biogeography and biodiversity worldwide. So thank you very much.